a video. Oh,
So
is
what
it
are we
on?
gonna do? Yeah.
Hi. Hello, video. We're doing a video. I am the husband and this is my wife.
And we are making sudan, panihapon.
Panihapon
This is how you say. Are you
with utanan.
are you willing to eat this?
I'm willing to eat that. Hold on a second. Just kidding. Let's cook it first.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put this pancit.
Into boiling water,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And then you throw in the vegetables and you eat it. It's gonna be good.
We'll make soup.
Yeah, we're gonna make soup. She's really gonna make soup.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna support her emotionally. You can do it, honey.
I will.
Yeah, you will.
So later again.
Oh, that sounds good.
Are you able to see?
Yeah. That's the vegetables cooking. I'm excited.
Go, babies.
The noodles are in there.
Yeah.
Noodles and vegetables. Some of the vegetables are in there. And the rest are here. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. I'm so excited.
Thank you.
Well, I should wait.
Yeah, you can drink. You can drink. You can eat. Start eating.
It's good.
It is.
It's good. Mm-hmm. It's so dark outside. But it's cool. Here's what looks inside.